Welcome everyone to the first Hydro GP of the year. It's Sunday and we have F125 classes second start ahead of us. I must say the wind is pretty strong and it's just ahead for the starting line, so it will be really interesting to see who will manage with the wind and who will not. On the first place, we have the first race winner, Gabriele Rossi. On the second place, Nicola Tarai and Luca Finotti, who made a, let's say, nearly ideal start in the first race. Then, of course, our man Ongari and then Sunoraki, Lubienov, and yes, Giraldi. We have about 20 seconds until the start. So let's get a big angle for us. Yeah, we are exactly here, but let's see. We have exactly 5 seconds to the lights. The lights are on. And as you can see, it is Gabriele Rossi with pretty much the best start, but it's Ongari on the fourth place who is looking to get some places from Finotti and Tarai. And Finotti and Tarai are pretty close to each other also, but looks like Tarai keeps the second place. But it's Ongari on the outside who takes the second place from Tarai for now. Let's see. And yes, someone has broken their exhaust, but yes, it is Ongari who takes the second place from Tarai. Finotti on the outside protecting his fourth place from Lubenov. And okay, nothing to. And yes, it is Gabriele Rossi in first place, Ongari second, Tarai third, Finotti on the outside fourth, but looks like Lubenov gets the inside line and takes over Finotti's fourth place. Yeah. Looks like the wind was not a problem for our drivers. Most of them are pretty experienced also, but everything can happen. Here you can see Lubenov, Finotti, and who I believe is Sunoraki behind them. Yes. Herbalski and our only girl driver Simona are fighting. And looks like Simona has more balls on the outside and gives more speed up in the corner and takes that position. Right now there does not seem to be any changes in the top 7 at least, but I must say that Herbanski has not given up on the place from Simona, and there's also Wallstein on the inside. So we will have 3 wide into the Jedi corner. Let's see what happens. Simona on the outside, and it is 3 wide. Oh, very close between Herbanski and Wallstein, and they both almost tie down. I think the winner here was Simona, who kept the outside line, the safe line, and beat the other 2 guys right behind him. And looks like, yes, Wallstein has died out. So he's almost, yeah, Wallstein got away again, but lost so much time. Now let's see if Herbatsky can get uh, the place from Simona or not. Oh. And that is our leader, Gabriele Rossi, leading with at least 3 seconds. Yeah, I can show you the ground camera if it helps in any way. And this is Nicola Tarai on the second place right now, lapping some boys, but there is someone coming down from the course for some reason. Not exactly sure why. Oh, but looks like, yeah, it wasn't a lapped guy. It was Andre Ongari on second place. Number 69, Viktor Lyubenov. But yeah, I think Ongari can right now be very pleased with his place. But he has not gained too much breathing space in front of Tarai. And of course, we can't forget Viktor Lyubenov right behind these two guys. And looks like Viktor Lyubenov tries that inside line and gets pretty good exit also. So Tarai right now has to close that inside door from Lyubenov, and exactly that he does. Ongari gets a wide trajectory. And let's see, in the furthest back corner, looks like Tarai is weaving to the outside a little bit. Victor. Oh, and we have a finish line also, yeah? And it is our second race winner, Rossi Giuseppe. Ongari with his amazing start gets the second place, Nicola Tarai third, and Viktor Lyubenov fourth. Luca Finotti did not for sure gain the places he wanted, so he has to try again in the third heat. But I will now stop the live. Thank you for watching and hopefully see you again.